Hello student, let's start today's class with chapter Triangles exercise 6.2 part 1. In part 1 from question number 1 I will start. In figure 1 and 2 DE is parallel to BC. DE is parallel to BC. Find EC in first and AD in second. In first, in this by basic proportionality theorem. So okay, in triangle ABC DE is parallel to BC has given. Therefore, by basic proportionality theorem AD upon DB is equal to AE upon EC. Okay, so now substitute the value and it is getting EC is equal to 2 centimeter. Okay, next question is in triangle ABC DE is parallel to BC. Now by basic proportionality theorem AD upon BD or DB is equal AE upon EC. Now again substitute the values as given. Substitute the value. It is AD is equal to, it is 1 upon 3. So 1 upon 3 into 7.2, it is 2.4 centimeter. So AD is equal to 2.4 centimeter. Next question is E and F are the points on the sides PQ and PR respectively of triangle PQR. For each of the following cases state whether EF is parallel to QR. PE is equal 3.9. EQ is equal to 3 centimeter. PF 3.6 centimeter and FR is 2.4 centimeter. Now in solution PE upon EQ, this side the ratio of this is equal to 1 upon 1.3 and PF upon FR it is 1.5. These two are not equal, therefore we can write PE upon EQ is not equal to PF upon FR. Therefore, they are not parallel. Okay. Next question is PE is equal to 4 centimeter, Q 4 centimeter, QE is equal to 4.5 centimeter, PF is equal to 8 centimeter and RF. So okay. RF is equal to 9 centimeter. Again check PE upon EQ is equal 8 upon 9 and PF upon FR or it is 8 upon 9. So both the values are same. So we can write PE upon EQ is equal to PF upon FR. Therefore, by converse BPT, PF is parallel to QR. Next question is PQ is equal to 1.28 PQ, PE. PQ is 1.28. PR is equal to 2.56 PR full length. Okay. PE is equal to 0.18 and PF is equal to 0.36 centimeter. Okay. Now in figure we have to check this much part. Whole part has given EQ and FR. EQ is equal PQ minus PE is equal to 1.10. If you minus this, it is 1.10 centimeter. And FR is equal to PR minus PF. So okay. PR minus PF, it is equal to 2.20 centimeter. Now find the ratio. PE upon EQ is equal to 9 upon 55 if you cancel it, and PF upon FR is equal to 9 upon 55. So okay, since these two ratios are same, hence EF is parallel to QR by converse BPT. Okay. Now next question in figure 6.18, if LM is parallel to CB. Can you see the figure? LM is parallel to CB and LN is parallel to CD. Proof that AM upon AB is equal to AN upon AD. Okay. Now in triangle ABC, this triangle, it's okay. ABC, AL parallel to CB, therefore by BPT we can write AM upon MB is equal AL upon LC. It's okay. AL upon LC. First relation. Second relation is NL is parallel to CD. Therefore we can write AN upon ND is equal AL upon LC. Okay. It is the second relation. If you compare these two relations, right hand side is same. Therefore we can write AM upon MB is equal to AN upon ND. Now reciprocal this part. Now check it here. If you reciprocal it, it is MB upon AN is equal to ND upon NA. Now reciprocal both the sides and then adding by 1. Add 1 with both the sides, it is plus 1. So it is coming MB plus AM upon AM, and this side is AN is LCM. So ND plus AN. MB plus AM together is AB, and ND plus AN together is AD. So AB upon AM is equal AD upon AN. Thus, and again reciprocally, so that is AM upon AB is equal AN upon AD. Proved. Next question is DE is parallel to AC. DE is parallel to AC, and DF is parallel to AC, and DF is parallel to AE. Proof that BF upon FE, so okay, this two is equal to BE upon EC. Okay. Now in triangle ABC, DF is parallel to AE. See there. By BPT we can write BD upon DA is equal to BF upon FE. So okay. BD upon DA is equal BF upon FE. Got it? First, second relation it is. And now from first and second relation, AE upon this, it is this side is the left hand side is same. So we can write AE upon EC is equal to BF upon FE. Got it? Proved. Next question is DE is parallel to OQ. DE is parallel to OQ. This has given. And DF is parallel to OR. Show that EF is parallel to QR. Okay. In triangle PQO, DE is parallel to OQ, and by basic proportionality theorem, PE upon EQ is equal to PD upon DO. Okay, it is the first relation. And from right hand side you check it. In triangle PRO, so by basic proportionality theorem, it is PF upon FR is equal to PD upon DO. Now first and second relation we can get it the right hand side same. So left hand side PE upon EQ is equal to PF upon FR. So okay, by converse of basic proportionality theorem as this ratio. So okay, these two ratios are same. So therefore we can write EF is parallel to QR. EF is parallel to QR in this triangle. Next question is ABC are points on AP, ABC are points on OP, OQ and OR. So okay, respectively, such that AB parallel to PQ and AC parallel to PR. Show that BC is parallel to QR. Okay, BC is parallel to QR. Now in triangle OPQ, AB, it's okay, are the points on OP and OQ. Therefore, by and given AB is parallel to PQ. So, okay, by basic proportionality theorem, it is OP upon AP is equal to OA upon AP is equal to OB upon BQ. Okay, it is the first relation. Again, this side. So, okay, OPR. In this triangle, AC is parallel to PR. By basic proportionality theorem, OA upon AP is equal OC upon CR. This is the second relation. It's okay. Now in the first and second relation, if you compare, left hand side is same, right hand side it is equal. If it is equal, therefore by converse of basic proportionality theorem means this ratio are equal as given. Therefore by converse of BPT we can write BC is parallel to QR. Got it? Thank you very much.